Children are naturally curious about the world around them. Science is a great way to engage children and spark a love of learning. Lakou Kajou's Exploratorium uses stories, songs, and simple activities that invite Haitian children on a journey of discovery. In Haiti, civil unrest, natural disasters, health emergencies, and other events keep children out of school far too often. Did you know that even before the COVID-19 pandemic, children in Haiti missed most of the previous school year due to civil unrest? To make matters even more difficult, few schools are set up to switch to remote classroom as occurred in most of the world during the past year. Most children live in low connectivity settings with limited access to the electricity or the internet. How then can educators reach children during period when school is closed? To address this challenge, Lakou Kajou will test 4 innovative ways to reach children in low connectivity environments with our audio-based science learning series called Eksploratoryòm. We know that no single distribution technology works in every community. By piloting different models, we will develop a set of options that we can deploy in the future in the event of an emergency. Research conducted by the University of Maryland on our Lakou Kajou video program gives us confidence that children will learn from our Exploratorium series. The next step is to ensure accessibility for children throughout Haiti. Haiti's 3 million children all deserve educational experience that spark their creativity, imagination, and curiosity. That gives us 3 million reasons to find technological solutions that expand access to Lakou Kajou's Exploratorium.